Today? Z. Social distancing?
Yeah.
You're wearing gloves, though.
I mean, the stuff can get on the gloves.
It's true. They're not medical grade, right?
No.
You know those are my gloves anyway, right?
Yeah.
So, I got little ass hands. I'm surprised you're able to fit in those gloves.
I mean, I'm not a giant.
No, clearly. You know what they say, right?
What?
I don't know. I got a spot for you, Z. We're still on this sandwich quest, man.
I'm still looking for the best sandwich.
The best tuna sandwich.
I mean, tuna's, yeah.
I hate tuna. But I think I found a spot for you.
Really?
Yeah. About an hour away, though.
If it's a good tuna, I'm willing to go the distance. But remember, the last tuna sandwich we had was probably the best tuna sandwich I've ever had.
No, it's true. Out of the millions of tuna sandwiches you've had, you said it was #1. This one is more of a traditional tuna sandwich.
Which is good, because honestly, that last one, which was like the best tuna, I couldn't really taste the tuna.
That was a wild sandwich. Across the board, everything we got was kind of crazy.
Yeah, but I'm ready for a good old traditional tuna with good old traditional quality.
I think we got one today. I can't wait for you to have it.
I have 2 bars left.
I think we'll make it.
If I run out of gas, you're pushing.
Realistically, if you run out of gas, I run out of gas too, because I'm stuck dealing with it. So hopefully he doesn't run out of gas. All right. What are you doing, Z? You overshot that corner. So I am excited about the place that we're going to today. I also have a giveaway for you guys. Yes, a giveaway. I never give anything away on this channel. Today is going to be a little bit different. Out of my way, Prius.
I saw gravel in that turn. I was so scared.
You know what? Z's got to get gas. I probably need gas too. When we stop, I'll tell you a little bit about this giveaway. Yeah, so make sure to stick around till then. And after, because who wants to watch only half a video? Right? Rest in peace. Today I have selected to ride the 2008 GSX-R 750 shitbox. She's a beaut. And today, put him back on the speed triple. He likes that thing. That bike suits him. Look at that thing. What the heck is that? Someone's pride and joy. That's what that is. Tuna sandwiches. Why does he like tuna sandwiches so much? I don't like them. So there's a few things I don't like. And you guys probably picked this up over the years, right? I don't like cranberry sauce. I don't like avocados. Learning to like guac though. Weird, right? Hate mushrooms. Cannot stand mushrooms. Don't like olives. And my worst nightmare would probably be a tuna mushroom sandwich. Oh, eggs. Eggs. I don't like eggs. Scrambled eggs I can kind of deal with, especially when it's mixed in with stuff, like fried rice, for example. But just a regular egg, I can't do it. Like a hard-boiled egg, it's hard no. And seafood. I'm not a real big seafood guy. Oh, whenever I go to the hibachi restaurants, I could do shrimp, you know, off the grill. I could do this. Whoa. I could do shrimp for sure. Of course, I dip it in all that glorious ginger sauce they have. That should make anything good. Maybe even mushrooms. Just kidding. If you could make a list of all the stuff that you love, food-wise, what would be #1 on your list?
Mama's cooking is like that generalization.
And what is it that she cooks that you like so much?
Out of Mama's cooking,
yeah,
like fried noodles and fried tofu.
You like fried tofu?
I love fried tofu. I actually like tofu.
How are we even friends? Let's talk about the least favorite food of all time in your book.
Fish skin.
Fish skins?
I like the fish, but the skin. Oops.
Really? Never thought about fish skins. I feel like we need some sanitizer. Nope. Oh, yeah. You want some, Z?
Pour it on. Oh! I got your foam on me.
I found some shade. You guys don't know this because I probably didn't put it in the video, but we've been driving around for like 5 minutes looking for a nice piece of shade. And here it is. Nobody. I forgot I was gonna do a giveaway at the gas station, and I got sidetracked. Let's do this giveaway. I think you guys are gonna like this one. All right, LUIMOTO, one of my long-term channel partners. They got some good stuff, and they want to give some of it away. They want to give away some of the gold gel, these inserts, right? If you guys don't already know, LUIMOTO, they make these amazing seat covers. Love mine. But underneath the seat cover, there's some gel, man. Some good gel. And they want to give some away, man. They want to give some away to one of you lucky commenters watching this video. Some of the features of this gold gel, it absorbs lots of shock. That's the obvious. So if you're on bumpy roads and stuff, you don't really have, you're not going to be fatigued. It's going to enable you to ride a lot longer than you typically do. I mean, we go on long ass rides, man. My ass never hurts. Now with this gel won't bottom out. A lot of the other gels, they'll bottom out, and that's bad because it kind of defeats the purpose of having a gel, right? You want it to be able to absorb all the way through, man. So good job, LUIMOTO. It doesn't matter what you guys ride, how big the seat is, this gel will fit. It comes in a big square. You can cut it to your shape, and it's really good, man. They sent me a little commercial. I'll run that in here too, so you get a better idea of what the hell I'm talking about, because I can't explain anything right. How many times in your life have you told me I suck at talking?
0 times, according to the
All right, so here's the contest. It's easy, man. You guys don't got to jump through hoops. You don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is, in this video, go into the comment section and write, I love LUIMOTO. But please, only enter if you have a motorcycle and you really need this product. I don't want someone to win it and just have it sit in their closet or on a shelf somewhere and not use it. I want someone to win it that's going to use it and appreciate it. The value of this is about 90 bucks. It's everything. It's a whole kit. All you got to do is comment in the description of this video, I love LUIMOTO. And then next week's video, I'll announce the winner. And if this goes right, maybe we'll do another one. LUIMOTO's got all kinds of stuff to give away.
And you'll get a boost if you put, I also love Z.
You need a little love too? Are you going to comment back to each and every person that says I love Z?
I could.
I'm going to hold you to that. All right. Back at it. I love LUIMOTO. I do love LUIMOTO. I really do. Quality shit, man. Let me tell you why we're going to these sandwich shops. COVID's still here, and everything's closed. So we have to eat outside, man. Sandwiches are easy. I haven't ridden a wheelie in a long time. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I can still do them. Alright, this is part of the video where I tell you where we're going, because I haven't done that yet. The place we're going to is called Capriottis. I think I said it earlier. This place has won upwards of 200 awards. Everything from best cheesesteak, best sub shop, best whatever. If there's an award for the sandwich, this place has won it. The place was established in Wilmington, Delaware in 1976. That's 44 years they've been making sandwiches. Which kind of explains why maybe they've won so many awards. Been around for a while. Keep forgetting I got a mirror. It's weird, huh? Huh? It's weird. I got new grips too. New grips and a mirror. Moving up in this world. What an asshole. Oh, look at that thing. Nice. We made it. I think. The sandwich. What'd you think, man?
Capriottis. I have 2 words for them.
Yeah.
Just right. That tuna sandwich was so perfect in every way. The tuna was creamy.
Just creamy enough. Sorry.
Creamy enough.
Just creamy enough.
It wasn't dry. It was just right. They peppered it with black pepper.
Yeah.
But not too much black pepper. Just right. Cheese. There was a lot of cheese in there, but not too much.
All I'm hearing are likes. What didn't you like about it?
That it wasn't cheaper.
Well, I got the cheesesteak. It came with hot peppers, sweet peppers, and some onions. And I really liked it, but I didn't love it.
It was a good sandwich. I had a bite of yours.
Yeah.
Delicious. I just wish there was more cheese.
It's a good sandwich, not the best I ever had. We got 2 medium sandwiches, 1 tuna, 1 cheesesteak. We got the combo, which comes with a medium drink and a decent sized bag of chips. Came out to $31.
Yeah, not too bad.
I feel like it's right on par with the rest of them. Okay, I'm gonna ask the question, Z.
Yeah.
Out of all the tuna sandwiches you've had, is this one top 5?
Oh man.
The millions you've had, remember?
I'd say out of the millions and trillions, I'd say traditional tuna sandwich.
Yeah.
This is probably number 1.
So at this very moment, you'd say we found the best tuna sandwich.
So far, it is.
Holy, and you want to keep this series going?
I would love to hunt for more tuna.
All right, let's do it. Dude, that sandwich was good, man. Glad we went today. It was worth the hour ride, I'd say. Especially since Z put this tuna sandwich on the top of his list. I want to thank all you guys that stuck with me for the duration of this video. Really appreciate it. Let's not forget, I love LUIMOTO in the comments and your chance to win Gold Joe. Much love to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. Love you guys. You know it. I tell you all the time. Really appreciate the support. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Check out my dirt bike channel if you're into that sort of thing. Let's show a lot of love to the channel partners. Especially LUIMOTO, man, wanting to hook you guys up. It's nice of them. All I ask, just support them, man. If you guys are in the market for any of their products or services, look at those dudes first.